Hi there, everyone! Let's clap hooray! It's time to guess the animals! Hip hip hooray! I walk in the meadow, gentle and slow. I munch on green grass everywhere I go. Can you guess now? Of course! I'm a friendly cow! I walk on tall legs with a long, long neck. I reach for the leaves far out on my trek. Can you guess this half? Of course! I'm a tall giraffe! I hop in the meadow, fast and fun. I nibble green leaves in the warm sun. Can you guess it? Of course! I'm a little rabbit! I swing through the trees, happy and free. I munch on ripe fruit high up in a tree. Isn't this funky? Of course! I'm a little monkey! I walk on soft paws wherever I go. I swish my long tail, moving steady and slow. Can you guess that? Of course! I'm a little cat! I fly over gardens, happy and bright. I buzz around blossoms from morning till night. Can you see? You're right! I'm a bee! I walk by the water, gentle and slow. I carry my shell everywhere I go. I hide when dangers encircle. Yes, you're right! I'm a turtle! I run through green fields in sunshine and play. I swish my long tail as I trot through the day. Feel my strong force. Yes, you're right. I'm a horse. I run in the yard, cheerful and spry. I bark at the mailman hurrying by. Can you hear my jog? Yes, you're right! I'm a dog! I walk through the forest, quiet and bold. I look for sweet berries, even in cold. Who is hiding there? Yes, you're right! I'm a bear! You did amazing, friends! Hooray, hooray! Check out more videos on our channel. See you another day!